Hello and welcome to a little vignette of our monthly site visit. We are at Ladies Island, and while I'll be doing a lot of exploring around this site, which was originally a pagan and has now been very Catholicized, I wanted to say hi. I'm going to flip the camera. Say hi. This buckety tower behind me, and this here is another Norman tower. So there's a lot of history at this site. Hi, Lora. And I'm going to flip the camera again so you get a view. There's John down there. You see John? And yeah, we're here to do our site visit. We just landed, and I just wanted to show you I talk a lot about kind of, Catholic pagan magic and our magic being a living tradition. And this is just like Star of the Sea, Mother of God, and our Mother. This is goddess worship right here. Okay. And then we have the petitions. So you can sit here on these lovely benches. You can meditate and you can pray to Mary. And this is Ireland's oldest Marian shrine. So shrine to Mary. And you can put your petitions in here in a good way, like not in a mafia kind of way, But then over here in the base of this impressive tower, Niall, if you're talking to me, my name is spelled Lora, just FYI, because there's another Laura in the chat there, so I'm not sure who you're talking to. But hello, you're very welcome. And here, say hello to Mary. Hey, Mary. So it's Mary, and in case anybody's not familiar, Mary is portrayed as stepping on the snake with the apple in its mouth, But here we have our spell candles, and really, there isn't anything else that they are. And as you can see, we're here on a Monday morning. No, sorry, Monday afternoon. It was morning when we set out, but we kind of strolled over. And you can see that there are multiple candles lighting, and many more that have been lit over the weekend. A whole rake of them in there. No bother now. It is beautiful. It really is. And I can't convey the sense of peace properly, but there's all these little, we're going to go in there and we're going to go out to the island, and there's a well and everything. So I'm going to save all that for the Patreon. Sorry, but, patrons get first access, exclusive access, but I did just want to share at least this bit with everybody. And it is just gorgeous. It's a really, really peaceful place. And this is a tidal lake. We're here on the kind of southeast of Ireland. Get a better view of the tower. But Catholic magic is powerful. It's very, very strong. And y'all know how I feel about the Catholic Church, right? Criminal organization, no time for it. The actual religion is beautiful. Thank you, Laura. Highly recommends my Patreon. And John spotted a little. John said it's like somebody brought their own statue and left it over here. It's maybe Dark Mary down here. So that's kind of cool. And there's all sorts of weird Catholic magic that does be going on that people don't really talk about or don't really acknowledge as such. But I wanted to. So I'm going to finish there and get on with my Patreon site visit. So if you're interested, go to patreon.com/Lora O'Brien. And there's links below. And I will see you in the next video.